Prodded into the path of Siddiqui, and in turn for Brian Brobby. First chance of the afternoon. Brian Brobby, edge of the penalty area, was closed down quickly, got a shot away. It will be a Sunderland corner as he seeks his 7th goal of the season. Granit Xhaka then to deliver this. It's a decent one, it's headed home. Brilliantly done. And he does it again against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Nordi Mukiele. Just a check here by Paul Tierney. Just doing a check with a hair pull on Dan Ballard there. The man on VAR duty is Matt Donoghue. Dan Ballard can hardly believe this. We've seen this a few times this season.
After review, Sunderland 5 clearly calls the hurt of the Wolves player. The final decision is red card, violent conduct.
Well, that could be the end of Dan Ballard's season. Incredibly dismissed for what is termed violent conduct. Bueno's corner, headed down and in. An equaliser from Santiago Bueno. And Rodrigo Gomez going for the return and getting it. Cross comes Alderete, but he's picked out Matthias Mane. Mane will have a crack at goal, and it's punched away by Robin Roos. It was a fiercely driven shot from the 18-year-old, but it was well saved by Robin Roos. Sunderland not done here. Tolby couldn't slip it into Lefay. Oh, presented to Enzo Lefay this time. Now Granit Xhaka. Oh, just wide of the post. He wanted it on his right foot, I think. It came to his left. And he just couldn't adjust his stride accordingly to get real power. Had to go for precision just off target from Granit Xhaka. An opportunity presented to Sunderland here.